you want to see how I got my eyes to match my shirt, keep on watching. Ooh, what's up, what's up? I'm gonna do a video. It's nighttime again, but I seen a look I want to try it. I want to purchase my SKUs, so I'm gonna film one. I'm gonna moisturize my face, prime, I guess. I'm just playing, but yeah, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, my fan is on. Ooh, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another video. Same headscarf. It's okay. So I moisturize my face as I put on primer. I'm saying that, but I have moisturized my face, but I'm putting on primer now. I really should take my earpods out, but I'm not going to because I might play some music. I might take them out because my brush is gonna buckle her up. Okay, I'm back. So let me aim my camera up just a little bit. Okay, so period. I'm back in the better. I want you best ever, but I'm not Bryson Tiller. Okay, so I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. Honestly, y'all, I don't know what this video is. Like, I just want to do a look. So I need my eyebrow brush first. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna use my Anastasia one on the camera. Dip brow. And I just wash my brushes so they're gonna be like soft when I won't need them to be firm. It's hot in here. Pause. Ooh, that was good. Pause. I got thirsty. Excuse me, y'all. But I'm back. But yeah, I want to do a makeup look and I wasn't sure what kind. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna throw it. Could no. I don't know what just happened right there. Good thing I'm gonna clean it up. Yes, I don't know what, but it's gonna be based on my shirt. I recently had to take these tests to try to get into like a program or whatever, and I scored high. So since one of my goals is accomplished for this summer, I'm gonna keep up with my makeup journey on YouTube. We're trying. That is a good brow. Ooh, girl. And one thing that I learned about myself, if I don't hesitate, I do so much better. So like when I'm doing my eyebrows, I literally just be like, whoop. I don't think I should go face right now. I think I should do eyes. I got an idea already. So what I'm gonna do is put some more of this on my eyes. Ooh. Her, yes, I got this color from Amazon. It's called Color Board by Beauty Glazed. Okay, yeah, first row is definitely where I'm going with this. I'm trying to look at my shirt. Okay, so the base is obviously gonna be green. Okay, base is green. I got these brushes from Amazon too. They're just white marble. And I'm gonna dip into this dark green. Yeah, I'm gonna pack this on and I ain't even blended this out yet. Somebody stop me. My boyfriend said that I'm moving too fast. Which maybe. Let me look at it. Alright. I'm putting on a dark color, so it don't need to be like super packed with. What am I trying to say? Concealer. There it is. Got it. I just want to say, I don't know where I'm going with this, and already these two eyes look like two different shapes. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep my hope. Okay, this is another packing brush. And I'm gonna take a lighter green, like, wait, I have another palette, let me different palette. But I also remember I got this palette on clearance at Target. I think it was Target. It's Maxi Revolution, so it's Revolution. And I'm gonna go with this green. Can you see it? Nope. This green here. And I'm gonna tap it right above this dark green. This is gonna take some. Okay, I'm determined to get these two colors to blend together. Determined. Do you hear me? I'm gonna do it. I'm trying to find that middle color. I see some color that I could try to add. I'm gonna put this color in between these two colors in hopes that they blend together. Gotta get a closer look. I'm tapping. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna get my glue and my glitter. Chose a pink because you see it. I'm gonna put it on a lid. Following the shape of the white. And then I took this really skinny brush first and dipped it. I didn't even get it out. I mean, I didn't even open it. Yeah, I took this really skinny brush. Try to take what's in the top first. And do this. Take this wide brush. Just so I can just really get it all there at one good time. See, I was going for like this weird, like rounded shape on my eye, but at the same time, I'm like, let's fan it out. So that's literally what I'm gonna do right now. Keep still. Okay, fan it. How stinking cute. And I want some more depth. So I'm gonna add some more black. Multitasker. whatever. Okay, so foundation. I'm gonna do my Too Faced and Toppy. I say the same thing in every video, so I'm just gonna do it. This side is okay, period. Is this the base? This is the base. Okay, I'm gonna have to include pictures. Ooh, what is up? I am back. My camera died, so I had to put it on the charger. Well, I had to put my camera battery on the charger. Nevertheless, this is the look. Eyes. Match my Goosebumps shirt. Don't even play with me because I did that. Ooh, I'm that girl. Yeah, girl. Baby, the look all complete. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe while you're